For the English rhyming words activity, we have these charts and we have these loose cards. Okay. So first of all, choose which one you're going to work with. This is a cat. So you have to find out all the words that rhyme with cat. This is sun, dog, lid and hen. I'm going to choose dog. So keep the others aside. We are going to work with only this chart now. Then you take out the small cards, shuffle them nicely first before you start the activity. Then you start. Look at each card and see if it rhymes with dog. So run, rat, frog. Yes, frog rhymes with dog. So we are going to keep it here. Grid. This is a hog. Hog is a pig that is reared specially for slaughter. So this is a hog and it also rhymes with dog. We'll place it there. Kid, bat, pen, den, fog. Fog rhymes with dog. So we've completed. I'll just go through the other cards just to be sure. Squid, mat, gun, bun, men. These don't rhyme with dog. These do. This is how you do the activity. So next you pick another chart. Keep these cards also here. Shuffle them up and then do the activity.